90% of orchid lovers still do not know this. Using too much chemical fertilizer does not make the plant grow stronger faster. On the contrary, it can cause root burn, salt accumulation in the growing medium, and reduce the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. In today's video, I will share a simple orchid care method that anyone can do at home. The special point is that this method only uses simple ingredients available in the kitchen. When applied correctly, you will see flower spikes grow upright, sturdy, and develop evenly. More flower buds form larger and firmer, reducing early bud drop. When blooming, the flowers have thick petals, bright colors, long-lasting beauty, and bloom successively, helping the orchid pot stay vibrant for a long time. If you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any tips. And now, let's get started right away. Today I use coffee as an additional organic nutrient source for orchids. Coffee contains about 4% nitrogen, 3% potassium, and 1% phosphorus, all of which are essential macronutrients for plant growth. Here I prepare a clean glass cup like this. Next, add 1 spoon of coffee into the cup. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water to dissolve and extract the natural nutrients from the coffee into the water. After that, stir well so that the nutrients in the coffee completely dissolve before use. Nitrogen supports leaf and stem development. Potassium helps strengthen resistance and flower quality, while phosphorus stimulates a healthy root system and promotes bud formation. Finally, cover it and steep the coffee solution for 1 hour. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After 1 hour, I strain out all the residue, keeping only the extracted coffee liquid. This clear liquid is exactly the solution we need to use, containing dissolved organic nutrients that can easily penetrate the growing medium and support the plant in absorbing them more effectively when watering. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to the solution to dilute it. This step helps reduce the concentration, ensuring safety for the root system and allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more gently and steadily during use. That's it. We now have a fertilizer solution ready to feed the plant. Method 1. First, pour the coffee solution into a clean glass cup. This method helps remove dust and long-accumulated residue, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated for more effective photosynthesis. The diluted coffee solution also contributes to limiting the growth of fungi and bacteria on the leaf surface. When the leaves are healthy and glossy, the plant absorbs nutrients better, supporting stable root and flower development. You can wipe the leaves about once a month or whenever you notice that they are dusty. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel to continue accompanying us. Method 2. Put the processed and diluted coffee grounds into a spray bottle. Then gently mist the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, and root area. This fine spraying method helps the remaining nutrients distribute evenly over the plant's surface, supporting quick absorption similar to foliar feeding. As a result, the orchid receives micronutrients in a timely manner. Increasing its resilience and maintaining harmonious development between roots, stem, and leaves. You can apply this 1 to 2 times per month to keep the plant healthy and growing steadily over time. In addition to orchids, I also apply this method to peace lily plants to enhance care effectiveness. Using diluted coffee solution helps supplement essential micronutrients, supports healthy root development, and stimulates darker green, glossier leaves. At the same time, the growing medium environment is gently improved, creating favorable conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients well and maintain stable vitality. By applying it periodically with an appropriate dosage, the peace lily will grow evenly, its leaves will stand upright, and it will maintain a fresh appearance for a long time. Method 3. Pour the diluted coffee solution into a clean watering can. Then water slowly around the base so that the liquid evenly penetrates the growing medium. Slow watering allows the roots time to absorb nutrients optimally. Coffee contains elements such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, along with some trace minerals, contributing to stronger root development, nourishing firm and healthy roots, and helping orchid leaves become darker green, thicker, and glossier. In addition, the naturally mild acidity of coffee helps adjust the growing medium environment to a suitable level, limiting the growth of root fungi and creating favorable conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Results after 2 months of applying this method. Positive root development. New roots continuously form with fresh green, plump, and firm root tips, showing that the plant has adapted well and is absorbing nutrients steadily. Noticeable leaf improvement. Leaves turn a darker green, becoming thicker and naturally glossy with a sturdy surface and good elasticity, a sign of sustainable internal growth. Even growth of new shoots. New buds emerge from the base and develop in a balanced manner, creating a solid foundation for the next growth stage. Improved flowering ability. Many pots begin to produce flower spikes. The flowers bloom fresh and retain their color longer, proving that the plant has gained enough strength to enter a new flowering cycle. Caring for orchids with coffee in this gentle way not only helps the plant stay healthy and increase resilience, but also makes use of familiar, easy-to-apply ingredients, very suitable even for beginners. If you find this sharing helpful, please like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel to explore more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for accompanying us, and see you again in the next videos.